Morning, everyone. G'day from Pratumnak. Hello, Kibby.
Hi.
So this is Kibby. We're going to be doing some rental videos. She works for Elite, so you guys will remember Manu. Manu moved on back in January, but Kibby's been working with Elite for some time now, and she's the property manager, and we're going to look at a rental here in Pratumnak.
Yes, that's
So
right.
this is Yin
Yong Beach.
Beach.
Yes.
So if everyone hasn't seen it before, and Soi 5 Pratumnak's just there. We're going to have a look at a one-bedroom.
Yes, one bed,
40
42 square meter.
Okay, let's go and have a look. Right, so we're on the balcony here in, what's it called again here again?
We enter resident.
VN Residence 3. And you can see over there in the distance, Koh Lan. Look at the size of this balcony. So we're between Soi 5 Pratumnak, and that's Riviera Malibu that's been built there, and Soi 6. But have a go at the size of this balcony. Is there a washing machine here, Crap?
No, we don't.
No washing machine?
Yes.
And it's 42 square metres.
Yes, that's right.
Ducted aircon.
Actually, the sofa is new sofa.
Oh, yeah,
Yes.
okay.
It's new sofa.
I do remember seeing this room or a room, but it's comfortable.
Yes.
Is it a recliner? I think it's a recliner. No?
I don't think so, yeah.
You've got a couple of stools here,
Kitchen.
kitchen. Fridge is over here. Long term only.
Actually, the owner just painting.
Repainted.
Yeah, repainting. It's quite nice.
It is quite nice.
Yeah.
Got access to the balcony from here. Queen size bed. That's the balcony. Wow.
The balcony is big.
And you probably could put a washing machine out there at your cost. Safety box. Room up there for your suitcase. Is it a minimum 1 year contract?
Yes, 1 year contract.
1 year. Do you know if Wi-Fi is included or you have to pay?
Yes, the Wi-Fi included.
It's included. Wow,
Yes.
that's a good bonus. Well, you're going to laugh at me, everyone, but there are sea views. You can't see it on camera. Can you see the sea over there?
Pardon?
The sea view?
The sea view? Yeah, I can see.
You can see it?
Yeah, I can see. Actually, it's nice.
It's nice and quiet and very convenient because you've got 7-Elevens at the end of this Soi on Soi 5 and restaurants and bars and everything else. And down this direction on Soi 6, there's markets there, isn't there? Pratumnak
Yeah.
Market.
The market right next door, and also Soi 6 here. If you walk into the road, it's a sauna bar.
Sauna.
Yes.
That's what it's called.
Yeah, sauna bar.
Sauna bar.
Yes. It's nice.
Good location here.
Sure.
Very central. Anyway, we'll go and have a look at the facilities in the car park. So we forgot to mention we were on level 6, the room.
Yes.
And here's the rooftop. And a little gym. But it's okay.
Oh. It's like a little garden here.
Like a little rooftop garden.
That's a heart.
Yeah.
It's cute.
You can chill out here. We've got some books. Got the rooftop pool.
Wow. Nice.
Wow.
So nice. Up
It is.
here.
Can you swim, Kibby?
Little bit.
A little bit.
It's a little bit. I can do like a dog style.
Wow. What a beautiful day. Beautiful day. And hot.
Now we can see the Garland view.
Yes.
Nice.
There's no sauna here, so this is it. Pool,
Yes.
gym, outdoor shower. There's underground parking, we'll show you that. And a little bit in the car. This is the car park, and wow, look at this. A Bentley. And extra parking here for scooters and bicycles. Very cool. Just showing you get a remote control for the gate. It's a bit of a steep ramp. Whoa.
So I gonna close it. See how it works. Whoa,
Yeah.
that's cool.
So this is where we are, being in Residence 3. Soy 5 there, Pratumnak. Soy 6.
So 6.
We'll jump in the car and we'll show you the closest 7-Eleven. I think there's a 7-Eleven right on the corner just down here, or just around to the right. And
That's
plenty of
right.
other places to eat and yeah, good location. So we're just driving back from being in Residence to Soy 5. You can see there's a little grocery shop there.
1 minute.
Little cafe. And there's lots of places to get laundry done. Look, here's one as an example, Mama Laundry. So no washing machine, but you can take it there. And here we are on Soy 5. But lots of places to, there's a Pratumnak market there, one of them. And there's a gym at the top of Soy 5 or 4?
Soy 5.
Okay,
Yes.
a big gym.
This is the other gym we call Muscle Factory.
Oh, Muscle Factory's down there.
Factory,
That's
sorry.
right. Nice cafe there, Chow Doi. Italian restaurant.
It's
There's lots of good restaurants here. Okay, the good food?
good food, healthy American breakfast.
Mm.
Yes. Big
There's a
7-Eleven.
new big 7-Eleven here. So what do you think? 15,000 a month. Thank you, Kibby.
I like it. I think it's worth it.
You think it's worth it. And here's the famous 7-Eleven at the bottom of Soy 5, Pratumnak.
ใช่ค่ะ and หาดยินย่อมปี
Mm.
ดีลา
Anyway.
ชิล
Thank you very much, Kibby.
No problem ค่ะ
We'll,
You're welcome.
We'll see you guys at the next condo, next video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
Bye. See you soon.